Hello, today let's talk about Foundry's pipeline builder. Now that we've got three tables, properties, work orders, and technicians, they're sitting there like three people at a party who haven't been introduced to each other. Today we'll learn the tool that introduces them. It's called Pipeline Builder. Pipeline Builder is Foundry's drag-and-drop interface for data transformations. Think of it as a visual workbench. You drag data in, connect transformation steps, and get enriched data out. Here's the analogy I always use. Picture a car wash. A dirty car goes in one end. It passes through soap, rinse, and dry stations. A clean car comes out the other end. Pipeline Builder works the same way. Raw data goes in, transformation steps in the middle, enriched data comes out. Pipeline Builder has 5 key advantages that make it the go-to tool for most data work in Foundry. First, no coding required. You build transformations by clicking and configuring. Second, visual lineage. You can see exactly how data flows from inputs to outputs. Third, automatic scheduling. Pipeline can run a schedule or trigger when source data update. Fourth, built-in profiling. You can preview data at every single step to verify your logic before you save. And fifth, version control. Every change is tracked and reversible. These aren't just nice features, they solve real problems. How many times have you inherited a SQL script with no documentation and no idea what it does? Pipeline Builder's visual canvas is the documentation. Let's talk about the building blocks. Join, combine 2 tables on a matching key. Filter, keep only rows that match a condition. Rename, change column names for clarity. You chain these together in the canvas, the output of one node feeds into the input of the next, just like Lego blocks snapping together. Here's the specific type pipeline we're going to build. 3 source datasets at the top, properties, work orders, and technicians. After the first join, work orders plus properties, which is matched on the property ID, we get an output. The second join, we use that result plus technicians, matched on technician ID. Then a cleanup step to drop duplicate columns and rename ambiguous ones. Then a filter to keep only completed work orders, and the output is one enriched dataset. A left join keeps every row from the left table and attaches matching row from the right. If there's no match, the right columns fill with nulls. Nothing gets dropped. Let's recap. Pipeline Builder is Foundry's visual, no-code tool for data transformations. You build pipeline by connecting nodes on the canvas. Pipeline Builder is like an automatic transmission, handles most driving situations. Code repositories are the manual shift. More control when you need it, but overkill for a grocery run. In the hands-on video, we will walk through every click. I'll see you there.